Hi friends, and today you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to freeze the row on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer or PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to freeze the row on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, I'm just going to show in this video. So to freeze the row on your spreadsheet, for example, I just want to freeze this row. Now you just need to have some data here. Okay, we have some data. So this is for an example. I just typing something here. So now just go inside the view option, and here you can find an option called freeze pans. Click on this drop menu and you can find option called option to freeze the row. For an example, you just need to freeze top row or freeze the up to rows on you just for selected row. For an example, you just want to freeze the row up to 3. So going to the freeze pan, it shows freeze the row up to 2. Or like that. So we can just change. If I just enter data here, you can see you will have a different option here. It's the option to freeze row up to 6, or here you can see freeze row up to 4, like that. So after freezing the row, you can just scroll down. You can see the top row will be freezed, and you can just scroll down to the bottom section. This is so useful for if you're making a heading on the top and you will just want to check the data on the bottom. If you're having 100 rows like that. So this is how you just use the freeze row option on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is the last signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.